Animated kids song videos like this are getting millions of views currently on YouTube, so it's a no-brainer. It's an excellent idea for a faceless YouTube channel. What if I told you you could easily create kids videos like this in less than 1 hour? Stick with me and I'll show you how you can create this in just 3 simple steps using free AI.
It's the animal parade. Here comes elephant, big and round, stomping his feet, making a sound, with a big loud trumpet and a swish of his tail.
And the best part is, you don't have to be a video editor, a music composer, a songwriter, or even an animation creator to create stunning videos like this. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can let AI handle all that daunting task for you. In order to get this method started, we're going to be needing a song idea. But how do we do that? Easy. Head over to ChatGPT and ask it to come up with some catchy song ideas that will certainly be interesting to kids. Now, while you're inside ChatGPT, you want to paste in this particular prompt and keep things as simple as possible. Give me 10 ideas for kids song. And as you can see, the ideas are awesome. And for the sake of this video, I'm going to be choosing the first one called Animal Parade. And don't forget, now we've been able to generate the song ideas, we're also going to be needing the lyrics for this particular song and also the animated video footage for this particular song. At this point, you may be wondering, now that you've picked up your song, how do you write the lyrics of that particular song? ChatGPT will still help us out. Still inside of ChatGPT, type in this particular prompt. And you want to also keep things as simple as possible. Create lyrics for the song titled Animal Parade from the above list. And mind you, Animal Parade is the name of the song I selected for the sake of this video. And again, it is beautiful. And now finally, we want to create prompt for a secret video AI to generate the video scenes for us. And so you want to easily type in this prompt. Create prompts for each of the scenes in the lyrics above. And again, the result is quite stunning. At this point, you want to head over to Google and type in suno/ai.me and click on the first link as you can see on screen, and you will be brought to this interface. Suno is currently one of, if not the best, AI platforms you can use easily to generate any kind of music or song you desire. Now you want to head back to ChatGPT and copy all the generated kids music from earlier. And back into the Suno platform, you want to easily paste in the lyrics copied from ChatGPT as the style of the music, nursery kids song. And for the title section, you want to easily paste the title, the music you copied from ChatGPT. And you want to leave the voice section at random and click on the generate button. When you do this, if you are not already signed up to the platform, it will prompt you to do so, as you can easily click on sign up with Google, and it's going to prompt you again to sign in using your Gmail account. At this point, you want to click on continue. Now to take you back into the AI side, and you want to easily hit the generate button again, and as you can see, it's creating. And when this is done, you want to click on the box on your screen, just like what you can see on screen. And there you have it, guys. All the hard work has paid off, and now we have not just one but 2 kids nursery rhymes to choose from. At this point, let's just sit back and take a listen and see how they sound.
Come on, it's the animal parade, marching along in the sun or the shade. Each one's got their own special way. Join the fun, it's the animal parade.
And I must say, guys, the first one was awesome. And now let's also take a listen to the second one. They are both simply mind-blowing. But for the sake of this video, I'll be going with the first one. At this point, you want to just click on the download button, or download MP3 button rather, to download them into your system. As for your animated videos, head over to Google and type in Hello AI and click on the first link, hello.video, and you should easily see this page. Now automatically on this site, you have 100 free credits, and each of the generations will cost 30 credits. At this point, you just want to explore the AI and get familiar with it. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the first video prompt and paste into this AI. And just to get the kind of results I got, you want to add Disney Pixar animation style at the beginning and the end end of the prompt and hit create, and now it's creating. And while this was creating, I wanted to give you guys multiple options to choose from. So I also tried another video AI with the same prompt, and the side-by-side results will shock you. Now head over to video AI and paste in the same prompt, and also include Disney Pixar animation style at the beginning and at the end of the prompt, and our creations are ready. At this point, I'm just going to play the video created by these two AI side by side, so you get to tell me which one you think is best. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. And now we want to put everything together. Open your CapCut app in your desktop, import all your AI generated video clips as well as your AI generated music into your CapCut, and first drag the music into your timeline, and then you want to just easily drag and place each respective AI video clip where necessary. It's quite time consuming, so I have to speed it up. And after all is done, you want to easily add your clear filter from your filter section and export, and this is the result.
Come on, it's the animal parade, marching along in the sun or the shade. Each one's got their own special way. Join the fun, it's the animal parade. Here comes elephant, big and round, stomping his feet, making a sound, with a big loud trumpet and a swish of his tail. Please lead the way, follow his trail. Come on, it's the animal parade. Come on, it's the animal parade, marching along in the sun or the shade. Each one's got their own special way. Join the fun, it's the animal parade. Next is monkey swinging high, flipping and jumping up to the sky. She's laughing loud, so silly and free, waving her hands, come follow me. Come on, it's the animal parade. Now there's lion with his golden mane, roaring proud in the jungle rain. With a mighty stride he leads with pride, everyone follows side by side. Come on, it's the animal parade, marching along in the sun or the shade. Each one's got their own special way. Join the fun, it's the animal parade. Look, there's parrot, green, red, and blue, flapping her wings and singing too. She squawks and chirps, flying so high, painting the air like a rainbow sky. Come on, it's the animal parade. Come on, it's the animal parade, marching along in the sun or the shade. Each one's got their own special way. Thanks for joining the animal parade.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next Saturday.